And let me share with you another secret. Someone asked me to be his date tonight. I think I'm ready.
Kamusta ang experience? This is her first time to go together sa Star Magic Ball. Si Liza muna tatanungin ko bago ikaw, Enrique.
Yes, it is our first time and I'm very happy that I'm with him tonight and excited for what's going to happen.
What are you looking forward to tonight, Enrique?
I just want to enjoy the night. You know, it's our first time actually. Once a year lang, yung talagang makasama na lahat ng Star Magic artists. So para sa akin, I want to enjoy the night, have fun with, of course, Liza and with everybody. You know?
Sila nga po ang US Love team ng Primetime Bida with the serye Forevermore. That's Enrique Hill and Liza Soberano, ang ating up-and-coming star.
Sobrang nakakakilig naman, Liza Soberano and Enrique Hill.
Wow, they complement each other talaga.
My chemistry, sobra. Liza's definitely one of my favorite faces to watch. She's been fully embraced by the fashion industry, and I'm not surprised why. I mean, her face is just so breathtaking.
As a matter of fact, George, she's dubbed to be the one to watch.
Ang sarap siguro maging young and in love. And speaking of young, here are the